If you are wondering how long does the battery last on OPPO Reno 15, then let me quickly elaborate on this topic. So, the average time that we can get on this phone is 16 hours and 20 minutes, more or less. This is the average day-to-day usage, like a typical daily usage of the phone. If we do so if we use the phone for calling, for browsing the internet, for watching some videos and maybe playing some games, this should result in more or less of 16 hours and 20 minutes of the battery time from 100% to 0. Of course, this time highly depends on many different things, such as what you actually do with your phone, if you're watching more videos than other people, if you play lots of games or if you don't play games at all, if for example you have certain features enabled, like let's say always on display, if you have animated wallpaper, and so on and so forth. So you can probably get the idea. The more things we do and use on our phone, the more demanding things we do on our phone, then of course the time can vary and it can be different for many people. But like I'm saying, if we consider typical daily usage, then it should be 16 hours and 20 minutes. Now, if you use your phone just for calling, then the battery should last approximately 39 hours and 35 minutes. For browsing the internet, the battery should last 18 hours and 40 minutes. For videos, it should be 20 hours and 20 minutes. And for games, it should be approximately 8 hours, although it is also a little bit different with different games, because you know some games are more demanding than other games, so the time can actually be different as well. So that's pretty much it. I can actually recommend you visiting the gsmarena.com website, where they perform battery tests, and you can actually adjust the typical usage of your phone, how much time you spend on calling, browsing the internet, watching videos and playing games, and you can get your score, pretty much your time. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.